Let's have a track festival. Who wants more? Raise the bear. Lost the block. What you got? You hit me with your best shot. Hit me with your best shot. They say I'm violent. Of course I'm violent. This whole country's fucking violent. And it drowns me out in silence. What's that sound? Who's that a riot? Yeah, it's a hoot, Caribbean. But I'm no fucking pirate killing everything in Jack Sparrow. I fight on the island. Hardly surprising, colonizing. From Jamaica to the Hawk, stolen land and stolen diamonds, all in cheap by violence, and life every night and burning down. Who wants more? Bring the bear. Look what you got. With your best shot. Hit me with your best shot. Long locks, ooh la la, call me daddy. Yeah, I'm too dark and handsome, make this country full of clap. They can't serve me. Hating when I had that big battalion, put aside and punches to it slow. Fuck the borders. I drive a rubber, thinking rapping with some bag of worst of waters, coming down to the slaughter. We won't go without a fight, so fuck your law and fuck your order, let it go. Come on, bring the bear. Lost the block. Oh, what you got? Hit me with your best shot. Wage war against the state. 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 It's a bastard right here.